Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, David. Hi, friends. Oh, I'm so confused today.
Confused? What happened, Olivia?
Last week, I visited a new city, and I got lost. I couldn't find my hotel.
Oh, no. That sounds stressful.
Yes, and I didn't know how to ask for directions in English. I was so nervous.
I understand. But don't worry, today's topic is perfect for you.
Really? What are we learning today?
We're learning how to ask for directions on the street.
Oh, that's exactly what I need. This is so important.
Yes, whether you're traveling, living in a new place, or just need help, asking for directions is essential.
I wish I knew this last week.
Don't worry, after today, you'll be ready.
Great. But first, let's remind our viewers.
Yes, dear friends, please subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button. It's free.
And like this video, it helps us so much.
Also, share it with your friends who love to travel.
Thank you. Now, Olivia, tell me, what were you looking for when you got lost?
I was looking for a nice cafe, but I couldn't find it.
Perfect. Let's learn how to ask for help. Okay, Olivia. First, when you're lost, you need to ask someone for help.
Yes, but how do I start? I don't want to be rude.
Good thinking. First, you need to get someone's attention. We say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me? That's polite.
Exactly. Then you ask, "Can you help me?"
Can you help me? Simple and polite.
Yes. So, together, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me? Perfect start.
Good. Now, you need to say what you're looking for. We use "I'm looking for."
I'm looking for. Like, I'm looking for the cafe?
Exactly. I'm looking for the museum, or I'm looking for the cafe.
I'm looking for the museum. I'm looking for the cafe. Easy to remember.
Perfect. Now, the most important question. Where is?
Where is? This is very useful.
Very useful. Where is the train station? Where is the museum? Where is the nearest bank?
Wait, nearest? What does that mean?
Nearest means the closest one, the one that's not far.
Oh, so where is the nearest bank means
Exactly. This is very important when you're looking for a pharmacy, ATM, or bus stop.
where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest ATM? Got it.
Excellent. Now, sometimes you also want to know if it's far. We ask, "Is it far from here?"
Is it far from here? That's important. I don't want to walk for 1 hour.
Exactly. So let's practice the whole conversation.
Okay, I'm ready.
You're looking for the train station. What do you say?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station. Where's the train station?
The train station is not far.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
Excellent practice. You're doing great.
Thank you. This is really helpful.
Now, Olivia, after you ask, "Where is?" people will give you directions.
Yes, but what if I don't understand the directions?
Don't worry. I'll teach you the most common directions. First is go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead. That means just walk forward, right?
Exactly. Don't turn, just go straight.
Easy. What else?
Now, turn left or turn right.
Turn left, turn right.
Perfect. Now, people usually tell you where to turn, like turn left at the traffic lights.
Turn left at the traffic lights. So I turn when I see the traffic lights.
Exactly. Or turn right at the second street.
Second Street. So I count First Street, Second Street, then I turn right.
Perfect. You understand. Now, another useful phrase, go past the supermarket.
Go past. What does past mean?
Go past means you walk by something. You don't stop. You continue.
Oh, so I see the supermarket, but I don't go inside. I just walk past it.
Exactly. Go past the bank. Go past the hospital. You see it and continue.
I understand. What else?
Now, people will tell you where the place is. It's on your left or it's on your right.
It's on your left, so I look to the left side.
Yes. And sometimes it's on the corner.
It's on the corner. The corner is the meeting point of two streets, right?
Exactly. Very good. Now, Olivia, sometimes directions are too fast or complicated. What can you say?
Can I ask them to repeat that?
Yes. We say, can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please? Very polite.
Yes. Don't be shy. It's okay to ask. And at the end, always say, thank you.
Thank you. Simple and important.
Now, let's practice a full direction. Listen carefully.
I'm ready.
You're looking for a cafe. You ask me, excuse me, where is the blue cafe?
Excuse me, where is the blue cafe?
Oh, the blue cafe. Go straight ahead, turn left at the traffic lights, go past the bank. It's on your right.
Oh my, that's a lot. Can you repeat that, please?
Of course. Go straight ahead, turn left at the traffic lights, go past the bank. It's on your right.
Okay, so straight, turn left at traffic lights, past the bank, on my right. Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. See? You can do it.
Yes, this is so helpful.
Excellent work today, Olivia. You learned so much.
Thank you. I feel much more confident now.
Good. Now, let's review the most important phrases.
Yes. Number 1, excuse me.
Very important to get someone's attention.
Number 2, where is?
The main question. Where is the bank? Where is the station?
Number 3, go straight ahead.
Yes, the most common direction.
Number 4, turn left and turn right.
Essential directions.
Number 5, it's on the corner.
Very useful for finding places.
And number 6, thank you.
Always be polite.
Perfect summary.
Now, everyone, don't be afraid to ask for directions. People usually want to help.
Yes, and if you don't understand, just say, can you repeat that, please?
Exactly. Now, we have homework for everyone.
Think about a place in your city. How do you get there?
We want to read your directions. And we have a question for us.
In English, what word do you use most when giving directions?
We want to read your directions straight, left, right.
We're curious.
And please subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button.
And like this video.
Share it with friends who love to travel.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode.
Now you're ready to ask for directions anywhere.
Don't be nervous. People want to help.
See you in the next episode of Daily Talking.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy travels.
Bye-bye. Don't get lost.